Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change video speed in Clipchamp video editor. So here I have a video added to the media in Clipchamp. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this video to the timeline. Now let's play this video and see how it looks with no effects. Okay, so next select the video in the timeline, navigate here to the right hand side panel, find speed, just left click and open this section. And here we have a slider. This slider adjusts the speed of the video. So if I increase this to, let's say 3, now our video is going to be 3 times faster. Let's play the video and see how it looks. So this is the fast motion. And now if I go back here and change this to, so default was at 1. If I changed it to 0.5, play the video. And now we have slowed down the video. And that's it, guys. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.